At the very top of a quiet, dead-end street in Barre, you'll find this charming vintage home with plenty of personality. From the gazebo, you'll catch views of Camel's Hump. The property combines the privacy of shaded woods with the convenience of a flat, open yard, ideal for summer gatherings. Inside the home offers a homey and cheerful feel. The colorful kitchen celebrates its vintage character and offers plenty of counter and cabinet space and connects to the three-season porch. The first floor also includes a bright bedroom and full bath. Upstairs, 3 additional bedrooms offer flexibility with one oversized room ideal as a primary retreat. The walkout basement provides practical space for storage, hobbies, and laundry, with the bonus of a utility sink and plenty of room for boots and gear. Mini-split systems keep the home comfortable in every season, whether you're cooling off in July or adding extra warmth in January. Outside the home, the neighborhood connects to trails, a hidden gem of natural space right within the city. Downtown Barre, with its new businesses and sense of community, is just minutes away. You'll also find the Central Vermont Medical Center, Berlin Mall, and other conveniences within a short drive. This home blends vintage charm and practical updates, all in a setting that's both private and connected.